Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkulisoko. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. Umfundo Vilakazi bekhuluma nemedia just before beyodlala laphana imatch enkulu bafethu ku-CAF Confederations Cup. Uthe ujabule kakhulu kuba yipart of i-team ye-Kaizer Chiefs. Ukuthi mncane laphana nabo coach bamnike opportunity ukuthi a-travel ne-team. Uthi-ke uzomake sure ukuthi akekho big headed nanokuthi kusho ukuthi you try and stay grounded. Ukuthi akwazi ukuphatha kahle, hayi ukuthi ngoba manje ukhona ku-senior team and then u-travel-a on the continent ukuthi manje abe inkinga. Uthi-ke uyalalela laphana ama-senior players mekhuluma naye no-coaches njengoba ahamba nabo. Uthi o-coach bayamthemba, so uzozama ngempela uku-return-a i-favour naye ukuthi enze kahle, akwazi ukuphefoma kahle. Uthi njengoba belaphana e-Egypt, since e-Egypt wakwazi ukuwina i-CAF Under-20, uthi kuchaza ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs izowina-ke futhi laphana e-Egypt. Nanokuthi uthe bafuna uku-make sure ukuthi lama-game lawa bayawawina wo-2 bafethu lama-game abazowadlala. So leya namhlanje against Al-Masry and then nale game la bazoyidlala neZamalek next week. So amagama kaMfundo Vilakazi lawo a-important kakhulu ngoba kuyabonakala ukuthi umfana omncane une-confidence nalokuthi is not backing down. Uya-understand ukuthi what it means to play for i-Kaizer Chiefs nanokuthi ufuna ukujabulisa ama-fans. So I mean, for me, I'm encouraged and I'm hyped for ukuthi umfana omncane kangaka akwazi ukuzinika i-responsibility engaka nanokuthi afune ukuperforma kahle for i-team. And then uLebohang Maboyo une-experience kakhulu ebholeni lase-Afrika. Yena uthe uyazi ukuthi kuzoba nzima ukuthi badlale laphana, but-ke uthe i-team ezokora kuqala kuzoba tricky ngempela. Uthi le team le Al-Masry meyingakora kuqala bazozama-ke manje ukuba nama-tricks, ukuba dirty, kusho ukuthi bangadlali kahle beze nje nezinto ey'ningi kakhulu. But kuthi bona as i-Kaizer Chiefs mabazokwazi ukukora kuqala, le nto le izo-open up-a i-game and then bangakwazi even ukuthola igoli lesi-2. Uthi-ke mabangakwazi ukuwina laphana e-Egypt bazobuyela e-South Africa noma at home bane-confidence kakhulu, and leyo nto leyo izobanika i-confidence njengoba bezodlala neZamalek in the next few days laphana ePeter Mokaba. So ukuchaza nje ukuthi kubaluleke kakhulu ukuthi bayiwine laphana i-first game. Are they gonna win it or just wait and see? Kusele nje isikhathi esincane bafethu ukuthi sikwazi ukubabona abafana ukuthi bazokwazi ukuwina e-Egypt, but abane-squad esi-right esingakwazi ukushayana noma ubani. Yibo nje kuphela kumele bay'tshele ukuthi baya empini kuphela. uLebohang Maboyo ne-experience yakhe, yabona ukuthi ukhuluma amagama anjani bafethu ukuthi bazoba dirty, bazoba nama-tricks. Why? Because of udlala ama-game awu-43 CAF Champions League ku-Sundowns, meaning that u-travel half of over 20 countries or over 20 different locations a-travelile laphana on the African continent. So uyazi what to expect. That is why e-advise ama-teammates wakhe nabantu nje ukuthi ba-expecteni njengoba bazodlala le game le nkulu kangaka izoba difficult. I wanna go somewhere bafethu. Ucoach wayecoacha laphana ku-PSL, uHerrick bafethu wayecoacha i-Black Leopard. Ukhulume ukhulume kahle kakhulu ngoDupreez. Athi uDupreez khona into angabanika yona lapha ku-Chiefs e-important. Nawo amagama akhe. Uthi uDupreez play unpredictable. Uthi ucabanga ukuthi uDupreez nje u-right kakhulu for ama-cup competitions. Uthi-ke uyi-type of i-player eli-good for lama-competitions lawa. So uyasho ukuthi amanye ama-player a-good mengena laphana ezisapu. Uthi so yena uyabhiliva ukuthi uDupreez uye ozowinisa noma ozowinela i-Kaizer Chiefs i-match on Sunday noma ngithi namhlanje because of kuyi-Sunday. Uyasho ukuthi angawageja ama-opportunities lapho nalapho, but-ke uthi ngeke ageje ama-opportunities unomphela. So uthi yena uyathemba, uthi leyo i-belief yakhe. Uthi inkinga enkulu ebholeni lase-South Africa ukuthi umuntu megeje 1 or 2 chances and then sebaqala ukumfaka ebhenjini. Uthi that is why i-South Africa ama-strikers angekho. Uthi i-Chiefs ine-powerful squad abasendile laphana e-Egypt. Uthi-ke bane-team engakwazi ukuwina i-CAF Confederations Cup. Uthi as always obviously-ke uthi man njalo nje i-team eyenza kahle noma egcine seyiwina i-competition laphana kuma-CAF competitions, ama-team anokungenzi kahle eligini or noma kuma-domestic competitions. I think this gives obviously i-team efana ne-Kaizer Chiefs i-hope nanokuthi amagama-ke a-positive ashiwo u-coach lana uHerrick. But asingene kule nto kaDupreez njengoba bathe umuntu ugeja 2 or 3 chances, uDupreez udala egeja bafethu, to be honest. But ngihlezi ngisho ngithi umuntu akalahlwa. Yeah, kuma-cup games uDuplessis there's something because of i-goal pedigree yakhe kuma-cup games i-better than eyaku-league uma ucalculate ama-games on average. So kuma-cup competitions is able to help i-team. Maybe angaba i-X factor for i-Kaizer Chiefs nanokuthi like i-charm yakhe yokuthi medlala lama-competitions lawa it comes to life. Uyakwazi ukudeliver for i-team. Khona ama-players wama-big games khona ama-player ukuthi lizifele i-player but-ke mthole kuma-big games uzombona kahle or mengena ezi-super sub uzombona kahle. And then-ke uDuplessis-ke ucoach lana uyabhilive ukuthi kuzoba wuye ngempela noma kungaba wuye umuntu ongakwazi ukurescue i-team. While we watch the game and obviously we do ama-diagnosis we-match after i-game. But yena una-everything, it's just i-timing yakhe. Yabona mina into engiyikhalela kakhulu ngalo mchita lo i-timing, akana-timing lo mchita lo. Hhayi. So une-speed almost than wonke ama-player ongawacabanga ebholeni in average nje ispeed sakhe bulletproof angasuka vele ethi shwi but akasisebenzisi kahle leso speed akawathayimi kahle ama-runs wakhe isikhathi esiningi and then i-decision making yakhe inokuba poor laphana phambili. Ngike ngikhuluma ngaye last time ngathi khona la bamshaya khona ngephasi kumele avele aye straight ashiye umuntu asebenzise ispeed sakhe. Yena akasebenzise ispeed sakhe ubuyisela ibhola emuva uzibuza ukuthi kanti ispeed sakhe mfethu isokwenzani because of bowuzomshiya lowo muntu just into ey'ncane decision yakhe laphana umfowethu. Confidence-ke yakhe i-down sithemba ukuthi ngeke ibe down for isikhathi eside i-team izomdinga. Thola ukuthi leyo 10 minutes abazomnika yona ukuthi angene ashiye abantu la i-team seyidinga khona maybe igoli. If uyayithola i-chance ukuthi angene enze ey'bukwayo or akwazi ukuthola lelo goli leli ezokwazi ukumbuyisela i-confidence yakhe. Will he be able to do that? Headspace yakhe right? Asazi. Sombona simbukele if bazomnika i-opportunity yokuthi adlale cause egrawundini bafethu i-10 minutes iningi kabi, 5 minutes iningi kabi. Ungabamba ibhola 3 times but uma uhlakaniphile ungakwazi ukwenza izinto zenzeke. Is he gonna be the one? We don't know. But i-competition i-tight laphana phambili. Khona oSilva sebaphakamise izandla zabo abazibonakalisile laphana ethimini ukuthi bazolwela i-team and bazodeliver abazanga ngempela ukuzodlala laphana for i-team. Competition obvious njengoba ngisho ukuthi ngeke kube lula. Mina I would start u-Ighodaro unless if cause uyakwazi ukudrifta ukudrifta deep aye deep azicollectele ibhola cause egemini namhlanje I don't think bazoqala baye full force in terms of i-attack but they will wait for the team babheke ukuthi le team le ifuna ukudlala kanjani babheke ukuthi bangayihetha kanjani kuma-spaces or iy'khala engavula le team le because this team will try and come at them ukuthi ikwazi ukuthola igoli. Kuzoya ngayo ukuthi i-Chiefs ukuthi i-react-a kanjani noma i-responda kanjani kule ma-attack abazobe babhekane nawo cause bazobhekana nama-attacks a-serious. And uRevli-ke ngeke abe sesayidini le-Chiefs uzofavor isayidi le-Al-Masri because of siyazi ukuthi e-Egypt bafavor njalo abantu bakhona oRevli. So they have to forget about oRevli and play just their normal game. Obviously i-defense yabo izoba important kakhulu but umuntu ozoba more important than wonke ama-player umuntu esesimbonile bafethu u-Ox Mthethwa saziyo ukuthi uzodictate izinto laphana esiswini a-recovery amabhola amaningi. Une-strength sokuthi uyakwazi ukulwa namanye ama-players, uyakwazi ukuprotect i-team. So bona ukuthi bazomphera nobani cause yena uyi-defensive midfielder laphana ku-central ukuthi ubani umdlalo ozoba khona. But yeah, exciting match ahead. Sithemba ukuthi uPeterson uzoqhubeka ne-good run yakhe in terms of like ukuthola ama-clean sheets aphinde futhi ashaye enye i-clean sheet away. That would be good if uPeterson uzokwazi ukushaya i-clean sheet abuye ne-clean sheet and then it means that if uPeterson une-clean sheet i-team idinga igoli elilodwa kuphela ukuthi ibuye ne-3 points. Abazama uku-create mhlawumbe ama-opportunities awu-3 and bury 1 or 2 and then they can take it from there. Ukuthi are they able i-defense yabo defense has been good to be honest but njengoba amanye ama-coach bowasho ukuthi i-competition yangempela eqala kuma-group stages hayi kuma-prelim rounds. Vele yonke i-competition ye-football whether i-Champions League qala kuma-group stages i-competition e-serious because kunama-prelim rounds kunama-playoffs kunani. Lezo zinto azikhawunti zonke up until ufika kuma-group stages of i-competition. That is why uma ubheka ukuthi kuma-group stages kunama-millions and millions ama-teams awatholayo just for qualifier because of kula i-tournament iqala khona iba serious. Kusele kancane ukuthi sibone ukuthi i-match izohamba kanjani but-ke cela ukubamba la kwamanje bafethu. Danko. ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, is making sure ukuthi ipage liyakhula lifika ku-15,000 subscribers. Sele kancane, I believe by the time sithi 2026 siyobe siwuphethe lo 15,000. Danko.